You know, sometimes you're an idiot. Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Mike. That's the Scout, but we're not working on the Scout. That's the MB. We're not working on the MB. We are working on a Tote Gote. We're going to be getting ready for the Utah Vintage 4x4 Rally. I'm not sure when this video is coming out, but the rally at the time of shooting this video is next week in 10 days. But we're going to take the Tote Gote out there and drive it around. Hopefully have some fun with it. So I got some parts, right? Got some parts for it. It's got some old gas in it. We might need some new fuel line, but I got some fuel lines. So let's get to it and let's see how it goes. There's no fuel coming out. That must mean it's pretty gummed up. But we got the old carb off, so probably should have looked to compare these two to see if they're the right ones, right? Those look the same. This is not dirty, so this one's just yellow, this one's black. This one's not dirty. You can see the air cleaner looks pretty good. I feel like this is probably pretty close to being new. It's just been sitting forever. New fuel filter, we will use that. This we don't need, probably. Not sure what that is. Is this a spark plug? Perfect. We need a new spark plug, so we'll take that out. What else we got? Lever and some gaskets. So this is the gasket that came off, and it looks like that one fits. Yeah. Looks like those two are the same. So we'll put that one to the side. We'll put these to the side. Not gonna use this unless I need to. Nice, nice, nice. Look, oh man, that's awesome. Okay, these are different. These are different. Wait, am I looking at them different? You know, sometimes you're an idiot. I was looking at these two sides, and I'm like, oh man, those are different. But these sides are the same. And I'm assuming these sides are the same. These sides are the same. So, we're good. Same. We'll leave them be. But spark plug. Let's get that off. Oh, I just ripped my glove. Don't you guys hate it when you rip your glove? So now we got to take the fuel tank off. Can you guys see? So, leaked out the top. I got to clean that up. It's going to stink. Okay. All right, we're back in business. We had to put a new fitting on, which was a pain because that other one was like rusted on there. So now let's clean some of this stuff up, and we will put this back together. Now let's just try and run it off starting fluid a little bit. All right, that's it. We were just replacing the carb. You could tell it was all gummed up, right? You could see. So that worked out. I need to get some fresh gas. My 5-gallon gas jug has old fuel in it. So we need to get some fresh fuel for it. We'll do that tomorrow. It's kind of late tonight. I want to go shower. It's hot. But that worked out. We'll just clean up this mess and see what we can do. We'll jump to tomorrow now. All right, it's the next day. I got some gas. Let's put some gas. Oh man, put some gas in here. I just spilled gas, and I can't. Let me show you. I can't use the. I can't use this lid or this cap because it sticks up too high. It fits on there just fine. See, it works really well. It fits on there just fine. But when I close the seat, it just sticks up about a ½ inch too high. Let me see if I can get you guys. See, it just kind of barely hits in there, but we're just going to leave it on there for now while we try and start it. I'm going to leave this open. So let's try and start it. Listen to that. But now the tires are both flat, so we got to fill those up. But we're one step closer. Perfect. Let's turn the gas off. Okay. That's it. I'm just going to put some gas in the tires, and then that's it. We'll be done. If you want to see me riding this around, if you want to see me out doing things, continue to follow, because I'm taking this out to the vintage 4x4 rally. I'm going to put it on the MB. We're going to take it out there. We're going to drive it around. We're going to have fun. So keep watching for those videos. Otherwise, you know, hit the bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Subscribe for sure so you don't miss anything, especially the Utah Vintage 4x4 Rally that's coming up. But appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching.